Hello, I'm Olga Zinoveva. I'll share my experience of working as a team to create the first course in my life. So in week 4, there was a list of courses. Mine was number 1, as was settled in week 3. I pressed on 1 and found myself on a page with topics. Topic 0, topic 1, topic 2. There used to be numbers. Later we changed their name. And there was a forum where we could communicate with other team members. So we decided not to waste too much time on deciding, on discussing, because we were short on time. So after we wrote a little bit, after we came up with some ideas, some of us, I decided to take initiative and to come up with a very detailed plan. So I just made it as a list, of issues that had to be done. And also, let me just show you. I said that, you see, we should start with choosing audience, choosing the topic, and other things. Then I suggested that our course should not consist of independent topics, but should be like a general project combined with the same ideas, schools. So to explore into the subject, into the topic of schools very deeply. And 6 topics, the last one to create an ideal school. And I also suggested grammar topics for each of topics, logical topics, you see. And very soon the other team members agreed on my plan, and we decided to communicate by WhatsApp. So we created a group in WhatsApp, and it became much easier for us to communicate. Then each of us chose the topic he liked most. I chose let's create a perfect school, for example, and we gave our topic a name. It's pretty easy to do when you turn editing on, and then press on topic, and yeah, you see, and then you can edit it. Then we started working on every topic individually, but we kept supporting each other by WhatsApp. Biljana was very helpful, as it is her second time on Moodle, which was a great benefit for us all. And yes, WhatsApp communication was very good. It helped us a lot because we supported each other, gave advice, and yeah, that was great working as a team. Thank you.